Hi, my friends. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. I'm Cori, and we're here today with a product review. Alan asked me from MONVICT glue guns if I would do a video of this product, and I told him I'd be happy to do that. And so it came very quickly, within 3 days, I believe, from Amazon. Amazon did leave this in a spot that was in the rain, and it came, I'm guessing it came sometime in that late Saturday, which is after I had already left for San Antonio, and so it drizzled rain all night on it, and so I hope everything's okay inside. It did come just like this. There was no tape or any special packaging on it. And so we're going to dig into it and see what we've got here. Okay, it looks like these are the instructions. One of the things I like about this glue gun is it has its own stand. And I'm excited about that because let's face it, that's been the biggest problem we have with glue guns is, you know, keeping them safely. And the stand is a wonderful idea. One of the features about this glue gun is that it's temperature controlled so it doesn't get overheated. And I'm noticing right now there's kind of a pretty sharp tip up there, which I'm hoping will work really well with this project I'm going to try to work on right here. The first thing I'm going to do real quick is go ahead and see if I can get this plugged in so it can heat up. It's supposed to heat up within 2 to 3 minutes. And so if I can get that heating up, I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. Hopefully I can get that stand put together really quickly so we won't have an issue with that glue gun. You're supposed to put it on the base first before you do this. I'm doing it wrong. I'm going against what they say to do, but I will add this part to it first. I believe the base is an option. You don't have to use the base because of this little. So I can just, I'm going to put it to the side, but this is how it rests. And so I'm going to put it to the side over here while let it heat up a bit. This goes here. Let's see if there's any instructions. It says, step 1, insert the base. Oh, and it suctions to your tabletop. That's really nice. Look at that. It suctions to the tabletop. Golly, I'm excited as can be about that. And then you need to I guess there's no more real instructions on that. Let's see if I can look at the picture in front to see how that stand goes in there. Okay, so it'll go like this. It has a little square down there at the base that you can just pop that into. And so now it's ready for me to start heating it up. And I need to get a glue stick in there. I'm going to use clear, but it comes with all these colors. Look at that. They do recommend that you use their brand of glue stick. I'm going to take this, move the box so it doesn't create any shadows. And these are fairly long and they're clear. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that. You push it in all the way. They say once you have it in, you don't need to take it out. I got to look at the picture again to see how that's supposed to set in there. Okay, yeah, it's not, you don't necessarily need this when you're using this stand. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off now. maybe. There we go. So there. So there. So let me hold, I'm going to hold it sideways, maybe, if I can get it off the suction. My light just went out. Sorry about that. So, that's how it looks from the side. And I need to turn it on now. Is there a light to show it's on? Okay. So, these are the sticks. We have a green glitter. There's two of each color. There's pink glitter, red glitter, gold glitter, and blue glitter. And I guess you can do some really fancy stuff with that. That's nice. Awesome. The project that I'm going to try to do is, the purpose of a glue gun is basically you can stick things together, and it's all kinds of craft projects. You can use it for when you're working with artificial flowers, paper. You can glue, if you have a flannel, is flannel the word that I'm looking for? No, flannel is not the word I'm looking for. What is that word? Okay, I'm not, it's not going to come to me. But you can glue wood and glass and wires and all kinds of things together with it. It's the sky's the limit on it. So I'm going to try to make some, these are needle threaders, and I'm going to try to embellish them and make them a little prettier, and by gluing magnets and flowers on them. My magnets are awful small, so I don't know if I'll be able to do it with this glue gun, but I certainly can do the flowers on it. So that's the project we're going to be working on. Let's see if my light will work. There we go. Okay, so they call it PTC heating system, and that helps it hold the heat quickly, but it controls the temperature so it stays steady. And you guys, that also helps your glue gun last longer when it has that capability. It came with 30 glue sticks. And again, like I said, I'm reading from the instructions now. You need, they suggest that you use their MONVICT brand of glue sticks, which you can get from Amazon also. You need to make sure your area is cleared of everything, and make sure that the cord is in an area that can't be, you know, nobody can trip over it. And let's see, I'm gonna squeeze it. I don't know how long it's been in here, but I'm gonna squeeze it just a little bit to see. Not getting any action. Don't do this at home, folks. I'm wondering if the moisture got to it because it's still cold. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this until I get the glue gun heated up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It was my outlet. That's where the problem was. I had I put it into the other outlet, and it worked great. And within a minute, it started coming out. It started dripping out of the nozzle, probably because I had pushed it so far in, trying to get it to come out melted already when it wasn't even heating yet. Okay, so I'm going to move the glue stick to the side here, and I'm going to get ready to work on my project. Now, I've never done this with a glue gun before, and so I hope this goes well. I know the trick with glue guns is trying to not make it get too messy while you know, but getting enough glue. And I'm encouraged because it does seem to be, the stuff that's dripping out does seem to be coming out in a pretty narrow strip. I'm going to try to position the flower. Here, let's try this blue one. I'm going to try to position the flower in between these the two holes, because I don't know, some people attach these to their neck or other things that the holes may be necessary. For me, myself, I'd probably just cover them and not worry about it. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little line. I hope it's, I can't see the phone, so I hope it's adjusting right. I'm just going to put a little bit here and put this on. I will have a little bit of wiggle room on it before it dries, but that glue does dry fairly quick. So I'm going to pull it away. I probably should have had a non-stick surface there. Well, it looks like I have one hole, but not enough of the other hole, but that's okay. There's a hole there. So it's already on there, pretty solid. I can't move it already. Now this is the real test, because these magnets are so tiny, tiny. And that way this can work if you can attach it to your needle minder if you're using it on a needle minder. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. And honestly, I don't know about the stickability when you don't use very much glue, but I need to hurry and get that on here. And there, it's on. Hopefully. I need to be quicker than that because it's because there is a gap. There's going to be a neck to it to getting it to work, but it's stuck. It is stuck. So there we go. I've made one fancy needle minder. And let's go and do another one. I'm happy with this glue stick. I'm really happy about how it doesn't have that a huge nozzle for it to come out. I'm going to try one of these other kinds of flowers. This one looks like it's damaged. I'll toss that one out. Here's a green one. And I think I learned from that magnet that I want to put it on here and not on the item. Already I'm taking too long that way too. There we go. I'm not liking, I'm thinking I don't like this flower as much. The thread will get stuck in it. You'll have to hassle with the thread. The one good thing about it is that they will make it easier to find, and the holes are available to put string through. But definitely that color isn't a go-to color. And look, they're magnetized, so they're drawn to each other already. So you know that magnet works. You know this glue stick works. I'm gonna do another. I want to do a red one. Let's do a red one. And I'm gonna do it, kind of get what's on there already off. And for filming purposes, I'm not gonna care about the holes. Okay, there we go. So there we go. We've got another one done. It's already dry, and I didn't get it quite even. This will take some practice, I'm looking like. Try to get this as thin as I can across here. And get this magnet on here as quick as I can. I have the magnets slide up across, away from each other, so they don't connect to each other. So there we go. I've made two needle minders or needle threaders, and they will work with the needle threader or needle minder. And I'm happy with this glue gun. Okay, I don't know what happened, but my video got cut up, but I was finishing up, and so I'll just go ahead and continue. I am very happy with this glue gun. I love the fact that it is steady. You suction cup it, and you don't have to worry about accidentally knocking it over. That's pretty awesome. Now I need to worry about getting up because I want you to get a view of it from the side. So it is stuck there. Okay, let's see if you can see these little pieces that drip are very easily cleaned up. You don't have to worry about struggling to get those up because the silicone is very, very forgiving and allowing that to come up. So this is a view of it from the side. It has a stand, so you can use this secure stand if you want, or it has this kickstand, so to speak, that you can put on it if you don't want to use the stand, and this will hold it up. So there's that. It also comes with 30 glue sticks. I don't know if it breaks it down between the clear and the colored ones, but we've got the clear colored glue stick, clear glue sticks, the colored glitter glue sticks, and a completed project. It comes with instructions. This is a MONVICT glue gun. And I want to thank you for joining me for the diamond painting effect with Cori. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one. All the information will be linked down below, so you can go find them on Amazon.